So bad news about our patch job on the dinghy is it's still leaking. Actually, we don't even know if it's from that hole or if it's a different one.
Not from that patch.
Oh, that patch is still good, Lyndon says, but our dinghy is still leaking. It's Christmas Eve and it's gorgeous out. We're gonna go walk around a bit. I don't know what's gonna be open here today. But we're just gonna walk around along the water, see what's going on. It's a place today.
La Paz is a sailing hub with a large community of sailors who have dropped anchor there and haven't traveled too much further. It's a close stop to many beautiful islands and has every amenity you could ever need. And with a tight-knit sailor community, a wealth of people who are ready to help. The city was founded all the way back in 1596 and is now home to about 250,000 people. With so much history, there's lots to see when walking the city.
Merry Christmas to you.
No. What's our other favorite song? All I want
For Christmas is you. Merry Christmas.
December 25th today.
Bit of
First warm Christmas ever.
Yeah. I'll show you the sunset. Not too shabby. It's really weird being away from family for Christmas, but I don't know. It's good to have adventures as well. Hallmark.
Somebody's having a hard time here. Look at that. So, crepes or flapjacks are a Walde family Christmas Eve tradition. And it's Christmas Day, but we ended up going out with friends on Christmas Eve. So we're having it today. And it makes it feel a little more Christmassy.
I bought some peaches, which I think they're called
Peaches?
duraznos in Spanish.
Cool.
Peaches, whipped cream. I wish I bought cottage cheese because I like cottage cheese in mine, but I didn't.
Cottage cheese is not a Walde family tradition.
A Berg family. Agree to disagree that which is better.
You gotta lean forward, remember?
Yes.
Yeah.
So we found Molnier here at the dock. Ben and Genevieve are back in Quebec for Christmas, but Rainier's here. And he's letting us use the internet here, which is so good, so we can finally get our episodes uploaded. Get our work done. So yes, that has been awesome. Thank you very much. So we left the computer at Molnier to finish uploading their episodes, and now we're going to get a permit so we can actually go visit the islands. So you have to, it's like a national park. I don't know if that's exactly what it'd be called, but they're national parks, so you have to buy a permit in order to anchor there, which they're not very much money, but and it's going to the national park, so it's good. Keep the islands beautiful. Oh, gracias. Hola.
Hola.
Okay, pretty.
So we went to get the computer and the uploads failed. So that sucked. But Lyndon, we re-uploaded one episode, so we're still fine-tuning this whole posting online process. But anyways, we went and got, this was recommended by a fellow cruiser. It's called Machaca. We keep saying it different, but I think it's Machaca. This is pork, so it's like shredded, cured pork. It smells good. Has a bit of a bacony smell. It's like smoky.
Yeah, it totally tastes like beef jerky. Like shredded beef jerky.
Yeah. It's good in just like eggs. You just fry it up a little bit, but we're gonna put it on pizza tonight. Because I think we've put just about everything on pizza.
We should start a new YouTube channel called Will It Pizza.
Will it pizza? I have a feeling it will.
Yeah, that'll be good.
Chaka.
Oh, Scotch neat. You know, that's Rachel's father's drink.
We are having a day of... I think we both need a little more space from each other.
Where are we going?
We're going to a New Year's party. Going on the big boat. Bellevue.
Should be fun.
I'm really excited.
Tiff has baked some apple crisps. Crisps.
I really crisped them. I went for I wanted to like brown it on top, and then I did that. You win some?
We ran out of water, so we had to fill up our solar showers, and we're using that as a faucet.
That's a really bad idea.
So there's quite a few of us cruisers meeting up on Bellevue, and some people I've never met, so it'll be great to meet new people, and we're gonna have a really good time.
Friends! Okay. So I'm for a little dinghy ride to town and get some water. It's a little choppy out. And I got like soaking wet. But we were quite weighted down with our water.
Dinghy trips, I think, are almost one of my least favorite things, because in Mexico, since we left Canada, like the whole way down, you're always in chalk, and our dinghy just like, I think it scoops the water up and then just like throws it at you.
Yeah.
But you might notice I'm pretty dry.
Yeah, I was walking Lyndon. I can see like the silhouette of my body on your shirt. Yeah, I got a little soaked. But we got some water. We bought 2 jugs so we can have just a little extra water on board. And we found out the dinghy dock, there's water on the dinghy dock, and it is drinkable, which is awesome, so we can fill our tanks up. But we have to like do that ourselves, so it's gonna be like 4 trips back to the dinghy dock. We may wait till the waves calm down. Show the Jimmy rigged funnel there.
Made ourselves a new funnel.
It was an oatmeal container a mere few minutes ago.
Great technique. There's no barley in there, right?
We'll find out. Oh, baby.
Boom. Nice work, Tiff.
Heyo.
Should I call you Muscles?
Sure.
So we are leaving La Paz today for
Espiritu Santo.
So we're gonna go up there, hang out there for probably a couple weeks or a week, I don't know. It's pretty loose, but it should be nice.
Oh, they're massive!
I'm gonna go get the GoPro.
Oh, yes! Put some clothes on. Oh, there's so many! Oh my goodness! They're so like graceful. Oh my word! This is so cool! Oh, that is so amazing. That is so cool.
I know, I could too. They've kind of stopped there.
Those are the biggest dolphins I've ever seen. Oh, I wish they hung out longer. They're all back there. I'm just kidding. It's raining and I actually like it.
It's the first time since...
Well, I mean, we left and it was rainy, right? Like probably Crescent City.
Crescent City or something, I think. Maybe not even Crescent City.
I don't know.
But it's been a long time since we've had this thing out. It's just raining a bit. It's not like miserable or anything. It's kind of nice.
I know, I agree. I need another fun cake.
Just gone away. I keep thinking about that piece.
The trip to Espiritu Santo seemed to throw a little bit of everything at us. From no winds to high winds, calm seas to a steep chop and a little sunshine that was quickly covered by rain clouds. We knew high winds were supposed to build in the evening, so we had hoped to sneak into one of the only protected anchorages before that hit. Luckily, just as the weather was building, we were able to settle into the anchorage and were ready to wait out a couple of days of strong winds.
Can't keep my mind from traveling away with my
So it's another pretty windy day out here. The wind really picked up just before we got into the bay and it got really rough out there. But we're here. We have 2 other boat friends that we've met along the way that we're excited to see again. And anyways, here they come. Hope you guys enjoyed that episode. After taking a little break, we're going to be switching up our format a little bit and only going to be posting 1 to 2 episodes a month. Hopefully each episode will be a little bit longer and cover some more ground. We also have shut down our Patreon page and we'll be posting only on YouTube from now on. So thanks to all you amazing folks who supported us on Patreon and truly helped make this adventure possible. Have a great week, everyone.